Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Akaza from Dragon Slayer. Okay, so for Akaza, we've got the head here, got some shoulders with the arm coming forward. And the other arm is back here. And we've got one leg back here. And we've got another leg coming up here in a fighting pose. Okay, I think we're ready. So to start with, we're going to draw some little almonds for the eyes, kind of slanted. I'm going to put a circle in the middle, a little dot. Then we have a line coming down the middle. And we have some curved lines coming around. Okay. And let's see, it looks like we have a little oval for the nose. And here's the mouth. And then the chin comes down and back up. There's the ear. Okay, we'll do the top of the head. We got another ear here. And we've got some more face marking. Just some rounded lines. And then behind that, there is some eyebrows. And then we've got the hair, and the hair is very short, and it just kind of zigzags out. Like so, and then we've got some more little accent zigzags. Some more accent lines, there we go. Looking pretty good. Okay, then for the neck, it's gonna come down here, and then they have like a vest on. So the vest is gonna start here, come to the chin, go down diagonal, and then come back. Then where that diagonal is, or where that turn is, we're gonna put our pencils back there, and we're gonna come around in a big arch, like a big circle. And then on top of that circle, we're gonna come up, over, and up, and meet back up with that. And that is the top of the jacket. And then there's like some little kind of lines in there. And then the arm is gonna come back down. And then we've got the forearm here that kind of just has a little angle to it. And then the hand is gonna come up, around like so. So I think they've got like their fingers tucked inside. And then we've got a thumb here. And that's gonna come back down to meet up with the wrist. And then this just comes up. And then here's the bicep. There we go. And then they've got a little stripe here. 2 blue stripes. And then on the neck, this character is very stripy. There we go. And then from here, from this little wrist area, the vest comes back and then goes back into it because he's, you know, moving around a lot, or she, whoever it is. All right, that looks great. And we've got some little lines on that. And it looks like there's a line coming up here. All right, so now we have a little bit more jacket showing. So it's just gonna be a little curved line that goes over and back up. And then besides that, we're gonna have the top of the arm here. And then here's the bicep right here. And then the hand is, then the forearm is just gonna be like a little upside down V. It's gonna come down and back around and back up. And then they've got their hand. I call this the stop sign hand. So here's the pinky, the next finger, the tall finger, the index finger coming down. And then we've got the thumb coming out with a little curve on it and down. And then there's the palm. So it kind of has a little curve to it. And then their fingers are, I don't know if they're like a glove or what, but these are blue. And then this is white. And then we've got like a little palm line right there. And then we have more stripes on this bicep here. Yeah, looks good. And I think I'm gonna pull this down because this will be the vest. All right, then looks like we got a line coming down here. And we've got another line coming this way. Okay, and then we have, this line comes back and then it comes down. And then under the palm, we got the waist there. And then we have some little stripes in here. And some little stripes over here. All right. Then we have a circle here with a little tassel on it. So we'll just draw some wiggly lines to indicate a tassel. And then we have a little like belt. And then there's their pants right there, just that little teeny tiny line. And then we've got some more tassel-y things here. This character's moving around. All right, then we have the other part of the jacket that comes back across, up, and then goes up into here. So then when this is colored, it'll make sense. Okay, so now we're gonna do the pants. So we're gonna start with a diagonal line. It's gonna come across with a little curve up, and then it's gonna come down, go back in, come flat again, go back up, and then back around. Then we're gonna have another line here that's gonna come back in, like so. And there's the one pant leg, and then we've got the calf coming down, so it's just a little curve. And we have the front of the calf, and then they have these little circle things going around their ankle. And then we have a little circle, half circle, that's gonna come back around, go diagonal, and then back up. And they've got like more black on their toe as part of their sock. All right, then for the other side, we're gonna have a curved line here, another line here. This is very folded. Then we're gonna start down here, come up, over, back around, down, like so, then out, round, and then they have like a kind of folded thing around the bottom of their pants leg, and then it comes back out, up, back down, comes in, and meets up here. Okay, looks pretty good. We'll drop this down a little bit, and then comes the leg. So for this one, it's kind of curved on both sides. Here's the little circle-y decoration thing. And then for the foot, it just comes down and forward. And then they've got toes on this side, and it comes back up, and then the toes are like a darker color. There we go. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.